think that he's our friends. So today I made a robot, and now I want to show her. Her name is Armie, kind of not like somebody was in the army, like as in arm, like arm-y. And she's a solar bot.
Did you make her? You made her?
Yeah.
How did you make her?
I made her out of plastic materials, a solar panel, and some wires.
Does she not have enough sun?
Okay, let's go over here. She has a little trouble getting over the crack. Just please note that.
Well, looks like she appreciates a good friend.
She loves rolling around.
That's really cool. Uh-oh.
Oh, oops. Wrong way, you wackadoodle.
That's so cool.
And as you can see, I'm not helping her. She's doing all this on her own. Battery powered by the sun. This video is not sponsored by SolarBots, but
So did you build this all by yourself?
off of the SolarBots. I didn't build it all by myself. My dad helped me. He's not here.
Anybody you know that would be especially interested in this little guy?
I don't know. Anybody who's like really interested in robots and making their own robots would be really interested in this. Okay. Roll into my hand. She doesn't roll into my hand. Now I gotta flip her over so she won't freak out. And this is Armie from the SolarBots Robot Kit. Before you leave, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you won't miss anything when I post it. Bye, guys!